Sorry guys, this is a live commentary, just saying, and it's Demolition on Summit. The spawns here are terrible. It's part 2 of the same one. The thing was that couldn't upload it, like, the phone started to ring. Whoa, lag. The phone started to ring, so I had to stop the video. Final kill. Oh, damn it. Okay. So, yeah. I thought we were gonna win this round, but we didn't, so this is part 2 with the final round, and yeah. So, join the AKA clan. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you have a channel and you want to post a video on my channel, of course, I have no problem. Just tell me. Oh, second chance, noob. No, I'm gonna go teabag him. He deserves teabagging. Or if I can reach to him. Oh, damn, he died. I have to teabag that guy. I hate second chance so bad. In the week, that's like the most popular perk ever. I have no idea why, but I hate it so bad. Now that I'm noticing, this is a good camp spot. Look, I can see that guy over there. And I can camp over here, like, on domination. Oh yeah. They weren't noobs enough. There we go. Thank you. Thank you. I'm just feasting on these guys. So Chris Move just uploaded a video. If you don't know who he is, you need to seriously go check it out. That guy is very good at Modern Warfare, Black Ops, and he's good at Call of Duty. He uploaded a video saying that for Modern Warfare 3, there should be like a perk or this thing that to avoid hackers and that stuff, like to avoid rage quitters and that, they should upload like a thing where there's your like status and that stuff, and that way people are going, oh, there we go, Cobra number 2, guys, and it will basically like show you like how is the dude, like how is if he rage quits a lot and that stuff. No, no, motherfucker. Ah, fuck. Well, sorry for the bad words, but I hate grenades. Like, I hate being killed by a grenade, so. Why isn't my Cobra doing shit? Whoa, fucking lag. No! Oh, don't tell me you're the second chance noob. I guess it was a second chance noob. Well, so the idea was pretty interesting and good, in my opinion. Damn it! Keep on dying. Live commentaries are difficult. So the idea is pretty good. And he also said, I love Hacker Pro. It's the best. Whoa. What the fucking lag? Whoa, that's bullshit. Take that, noob. Sit down. The idea is good. Actually, I think I messed up a little, like, on the idea and the purpose and that stuff. But you might want to go check out his channel. Don't tell me that guy just noob-tubed me. Guys, why do you have to noob-tube? Don't be like babies. Don't be such babies. Don't be such gay people. You assholes. That's the worst bullshit ever. I hate that type of bullshit. Hate that bullshit. Um, so I was interrupted by a noob again. And the other thing that he said was, um, people like when they have gameplay, they shouldn't make them start the match once a month. Don't put people in a match once the match has started. That's like very unfair. Like I have had terrible matches like that, and they always spawn you in the bad team. So that's like bullshit. Fuck. Then no. Yeah. So that's part of like the idea. Then I got a PS3, guys. If you didn't know, but I hate Costa Rican aduanas. Why? Because they like they are the dudes that look in your loading and like in your stuff for drugs and that stuff, but like there are only two in charge of like revising like 500 things, especially after Black Friday. And another thing is that here in Costa Rica, like laws don't work at all. Like they're trying to pass out this law that actually makes private schools pay a higher tax, a 14% higher tax, but like 40% higher. So the idea is higher the taxes 40%, and that's like serious bullshit because but private things like private schooler and that stuff. But the bullshit is that like um, private schools already pay a high tax here in Costa Rica, and not only a high tax, but they don't do any problems with the government. Like they pay normally, and that's it. Like they're not owing the government any money. But they're still fighting over that thing, and they want to raise 14% the income tax on everything. So I'm a little mad, guys, and that's why I don't have my PS3 yet. Well, see you guys. Hope you have a great Christmas time. Merry Christmas to everybody. And please join the AKA clan. And if whoa, sorry guys. If you have, damn it. If you have Modern Warfare 3 for the Wii, please tell me. What's your ally code? Ally code. I hate this tripod. Well, bye.